Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Arena Breakout Infinite Unknown Error 7830014. And honestly, this is a very annoying thing, but a few things you can do is you can log out and then log back in and see if that fixes it. If that still doesn't fix it, you can try resetting your password, like correcting all the email verification. And if that still doesn't work, then what you can do is head over to network settings, like so, view network connections, and then whatever you're connected to, whether it be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. For me it is Ethernet, so I right click on this one, head over to properties, and then as you can see, Internet Protocol version 4, we double click on this one. As you can see right over here, there's an option, like for you this might be turned on, but you turn this one on and you just do 8.8.8.8 and then 8.8.4.4, click on OK, and then cut, and see if that works. And if still doesn't work, then maybe try contacting your ISP to see if everything is good on the internet's end. But yeah, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.